All right, so this video we're going to be talking about the keyboard. In the last video, I went ahead, I repaired the motherboard, and well, we didn't repair, we just swapped out the motherboard, got it cheap for like $60 on the eBay, and it was very simple, easy to take it apart. Just to recap, remove all these screws over here, pull out the DVD drive, get something to pry this off, which I've already done this a little bit, and just pull back, nice and easy. There we go. Just pull back right over here, and you have the laptop motherboard exposed. So we've already changed out the motherboard. Laptop boots up. We already installed Windows 10 on it. We upgraded to a solid state disk hard drive. It only has 4 gigs of RAM, but this is good for an office laptop, which more people want the laptop for, just browsing, surfing, all that good jazz. So when I put this laptop together, ran into an issue. The issue that we ran into is that not all the keys on the motherboard, on the keyboard work. This laptop, just give you a brief history, the customer brought it in, they had spilled some type of liquid on it, and the motherboard was fried. We replaced the motherboard, works good, but now we need to replace the keyboard. So let me take this apart, and let's strip this thing down. And once we strip this thing down, we'll talk about the keyboard and 2 options to repair it. All right, so we got a strip disassembled. Motherboard has been removed. We have that right over here. Very simple to take this laptop apart. I mean, it literally takes less than 5 minutes. I have the battery, the hard drive, and the motherboard out. Just a few screws over here. So now you have 2 options as far as your keyboard doesn't work as far as the HP Ideapad. Option number 1, which I don't level on your skill, but I don't have much skill when it comes to this repair. What you can do is you can actually, let's get this taken out. Now make sure you get these hinges disconnected, which I think I got them all out, but maybe not. Let's go ahead and twist this thing up. There we go. All right, there we go. And let's just go ahead and make sure that we have the Wi-Fi connectors out. Bingo. All right, so solution number 1. As you can see, this laptop's in 2 pieces, many pieces. Screen, motherboard, keyboard, motherboard, battery, all that stuff. So let's take our screen, let's get it out of here. Let's put this somewhere safe, we don't mess it up. That way we don't have to spend normal money into this laptop. So we got kicked off to the side. Now we're back over here. With this laptop, this is one of the more, to say the least, laptops to change the keyboard out. The keyboard is actually plastic weld, and let's see if we can get this into the camera right over here, into this palm rest. So you get on eBay, they have the keyboards for $20, but then you have to take each one of these, heat it up with some type of heat. You could use a welder or a soldering iron, and just get each one of these out, and then the keyboard should easily pop out. That's option number 1 to do. I'm not a fan of that option because a lot of times in my experience, when you go to weld it back up, it doesn't hold, flexing. Yeah, you can do it that way. The keyboard option is about $20, $18 is the cheapest on the low end, and you get the keyboard. We're not gonna go with that, primarily because that's just gonna be too much work, and I don't feel like messing with that. So, other option that you have, and we're back over here, is just to order a whole new palm rest, which is actually a lot cheaper. Well, not cheaper, but a lot more convenient. So what I did, I got on eBay, and I got this for $30. So for $10 more, you get the whole thing, and you don't have to deal with the whole plastic weld thing, and you got a keyboard. So that's the option that we're gonna use. So $20, pop it in, put it back together, our keyboard should work. This one actually comes with the speakers and the mouse pad and all the other connectors. So all we gotta do is pop in our motherboard, pop everything back in, and we're rocking and rolling. So let's go ahead, we'll do a quick time lapse of putting this laptop back together. All right, laptop's put back together. We are back and rolling, and It was pretty much simple. So for the most part, this is very simple. Let's test this out. Blah, 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 blah. All my keyboards work. Keys work good. So what can we take for this? Old laptops. Just to finish up this series, they're still good. They're still great. Don't throw them out. Keep them. For this, $30 for the keyboard, $60 for the motherboard. We popped in a solid state hard drive. So what? 30, 60, 90, 20, $110. $110. Laptop is brought back to life. Solid state gave it some new speed. And you have a good laptop for your office work and even some light gaming, or, well, not really light gaming, but some of the cheap stuff that you can probably find online that's cheap. So if you have an old laptop, don't throw it away. Put it back together. Try to fix it. A lot of times they just need a simple solid state hard drive. Another time they might just need quick, easy repairs. Don't be discouraged. iFixit has great websites that can help you how to tear it down. YouTube has some great websites. The Lenovo Ideapads are great, and they're so easy to fix. I enjoy working on Lenovo's. There's not a million tons of pieces all crammed in together. Now you get into some of the more robust laptops like Asus and these gaming ones where they have a lot of pieces just crammed into there. A little tricky, but still manageable. Have the right tools, a small kit like this, and you're good to go. So overall, I'm very happy with this laptop. If I wanted to, I could flip it, make a couple of bucks off of it, or just keep it, give it away. I know right now a lot of people are looking for laptops just to kind of do the online work thing, online school thing. So something I might consider and keep in mind. So comment down below, let me know your experiences with laptops that you've had, laptops that you recommend. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're not. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what we come up with next.